Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on the application of Pinterest. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above we will search about Pinterest and we click here. Then in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store, you will search about the application of Pinterest. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.